This is Shari from Little Blue Deer Design, and today I'm going to show you a new and updated tutorial on how to set up your WordPress blog using Bluehost hosting. And Bluehost asked me if I would make a new tutorial. I'm glad to do it, and I'm going to try to do it here in one quick shot, so bear with me. It's extremely easy to do, and a few things that I'd like to highlight that make Bluehost especially appealing as a host. They're definitely my host of choice. I use them myself. I'm an affiliate seller for them, and I think they're wonderful. They offer one-click WordPress install, a free SSL certificate. That's what gives you this little padlock bar in the upper left-hand corner of your browser on Google and other browsers. And you also get a free domain for 1 year. So you can visit my link, and I will paste the link to sign up for Bluehost also in the video description. But let's pop over to bluehost.com. And what we're going to want to do is just click right here on the Get Started button. Get started. Now, you can start with 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. Like with all web hosts, generally the longer you sign up for, the less expensive your payment will be. And for our basic website and blog designs, basic hosting is usually just fine, although the choice has a lot of extra awesome options. It's always really good to have backups if you want peace of mind. This choice option gives you a free automated backup for a year, and then there is the Pro option, which gives you continuing automated backup. So that's always a good choice. But we'll stick with the basic just for you can go through. It's very easy to see all of your options here. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just stick with the basic. So it's starting at $3.95 a month. I believe I'll be having a link with a special rate for you, so be sure to check my tutorial and the link in the video to find out about that. So all you want to do is click Select. And the neat thing about Bluehost is that you do get a free domain for a year. So you can create a new domain, or you can use a domain you already own. Many people set up a domain and register at another domain registrar like GoDaddy. They have a domain, but they don't have the hosting attached to it. The hosting is where your site files actually live, and to run WordPress, you must have hosting as well as a domain. A domain is not hosting. So if you want to use a domain you already own, you can enter it right here. Very simple. But Bluehost does give you a free domain registration for a year, so you can also create a new domain. Or if you want to and you haven't decided on your domain yet, but you know you're ready to start a blog, that's okay too. You can click I'll create my domain later. So what we'll do is we can try myfantasticnewblog.com. You'll be able to search. Okay, looks like the domain myfantasticnewblog.com is available. So all you have to do is enter all of your account information. I'm not going to do that on this screen right now. And then you're going to go down and you're going to choose your package account plan, whether you want the 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. And then down here, you can pick and choose your package extras. You can choose domain privacy. What this means is that if somebody searches for you in a database like whois.com, your name and address will not be visible. This is always nice for privacy. The code guard will protect from spam and malware. There's a Bluehost SEO Tools Start Kit, which you can have. WordPress, depending on your theme, is pretty SEO optimized, but this is always a nice choice. And if you want a single domain SSL, you can get that as well. But Bluehost does give you the default SSL. So maybe at the start you don't need that. And then you can also do a Microsoft 365 mailbox 30-day free trial if you want that. The other cool thing about Bluehost that a lot of web hosts don't use is you do have the option for a fee of, I believe it's $4.99 or $5 a month to get G Suite, which means that you can use the Gmail interface with your custom domain, and that's great. So then all you're going to want to do is fill out your payment information. Obviously, there's an auto renewal policy. You'll agree to the terms and click submit. And since we didn't walk through this completely, I just want to go back to my tutorial here because things have not really changed. You'll enter your account information and then you'll choose your package. And then you'll be prompted for the one-click WordPress install. This is super simple, and that's the beauty of Bluehost. I cannot say enough about how much bad hosting slows down a website designer's progress. So when you use Bluehost, you'll click the one-click WordPress install. You'll be all set to go, and that's really all you have to do. And your blog designer can take it from there. Bluehost is one of my favorite hosts. They just make everything so easy, so accessible. Everything you need is at your fingertips. So once again, let's just go back through. We're going to go to bluehost.com. We're going to click the Get Started link. We're going to choose our plan. We're going to either create a new domain. We're going to use a domain we already own. And just for the record, if you use a domain you already own, all you have to do is ask your domain registrar to point your domain's name servers to ns1.bluehost.com and ns2.bluehost.com. It's very simple. You can call Bluehost. They will give you the name servers, and then you can call your host and they will change your name servers for you. It takes 2 seconds. It's as easy as it can be. You can also choose to create your domain later, which is great. That means that your new WordPress installation will appear at a temporary domain, and at any time once you register your domain, then you can point your WordPress installation to that domain. So we'll click that as another test. And then all you have to do is enter your account information, choose your package extras, choose your account plan length, and enter your payment information. And that's all you need to do. So thank you for visiting my Bluehost tutorial. I truly cannot say enough about this company. I love them so much, and if you prefer a step-by-step walkthrough, you can visit me at littlebluedeerdesign.com/Bluehost-setup. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.